What's up, everybody? Here we go. 2021 Topps Tier 1 Baseball 12 box case PYT number 6. Our 5th case in a row. Let's keep it going. You don't want to come out this time, please. Whew, let's hope so. Fire, fire, fire. Good luck, friends. Two of 25, Devin Williams, Brew Crew. Start off with auto to 25. For the Rocks, Ryan Castellani to 300 rookie auto. Brewers was upping, Rockies upping. We have Relic Auto to 100, Whit Merrifield for the Royals. Wow, upping with a hat trick. Comes in out of nowhere. Gets all 3 hits. In the first box, 3 auto box. Relic. Rhys Hoskins, $3.99 Phillies. Hums. For the White Sox, Cody Hewer. Rookie auto to 300. Connor L with the White Sox. Come on, baby. Brady Singer, 3 of 25 rookie auto for the Royals. Going to Uppin Champ. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Javi Baez, Cubbies, pinstripe relic to $2.99. Will Dubs. Merkel. Christian Javier to 300 for the Astros. Will. Uh-oh. Walker Buehler to 300 Dodgers. Come on. We can't have lost our mojo. Get that Acuna magic. Can we do it one more time? Relic Jim Thome, White Sox to 299. White Sox is Connor. Cubbies, Nico Horner to 200. Will. It's the Will and Up and Champ Show. Goldie again to 25. 5 of 25 Cardinals. Scotty. Nice, Scotty. There you go, buddy. Chronicles with 2 left is next. Or whatever it is now. It was 2. Relic of Yelich to 299. Brew Crew. Up in. Ian Anderson, Bravos to 275. Rookie auto. JL with the Braves. Gary Sheffield to 300. New York Yankees. JL box. Tier 1 the Legends Relics Tony Gwynn to 199 for the Padres. Throne. Breakout auto of Arozarena to 275 for the Tampa Bay Rays. Here we go, fellers. Here we go, fellers. Gonna turn it around right here. Turn it around right here. Juan Soto to 10. 1 of 10 Soto. Quinn with the Nationals. Let's go. Let's get back to the fire. Sick. Sick. Here we go. Drop that box. Matt Olson to 399. Relic for the A's. Steiner with the A's. Luis Arias for the Twins to 300. Donald Dudley. Jordan 9 of 25 for the Astros. Nice. Yes. Well, football's next, but we've been crushing Tier 1, so we've had to keep going because it's been insane. Nice hit there, Astros. Will Dubs. Good call, Quinn. Relic to 299, David Bodie, Chicago Cubs. Tier 1 Relic 344, Buster Posey, Giants. Jeremy Steen. Breakout auto to 300, Casey Mize. Rookie for the Tigers, Corey G. Relic of Aaron Nola to 399, Phillies. I'll grab more of those. Oh shit, I gotta open another case. Ew, another two relic box in a row. 399 Keston relic for the Brewers. Uppin. Five of 75 Pudge for the Miami Marlins. Donald D. Nice. Surely we can do better than this. Come on. Brandon Belts, 399 relic, Giants. Steiner. Prime Performers auto. Kyle Hendricks, 300. Cubs. Will. Nice. 19 to 25. Kyle Lewis for the Mariners. Robert V. Nice. Sick. Hell yeah. All right, some bangers in this case. Let's go. 22 of 25, David Peralta, D-backs. That ain't no D-backs patches. D-backs, Robert V. Three of 25, Monty Harrison for the Marlins, rookie auto. Marlins, Donald. Redemption, come on, baby. Hit us with a big one. Could it be another? No, it's not a duel. Prime Performers auto of Bronze Ink Parallel. Nice. 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 Elvis Andrus, Texas Rangers. Tejas, Up and Champ. All right, last box mojo. We really need you right now. We really need you right now. To $3.99. Nice, the camo relic. That's sick. Will Myers, Padres. Dylan Steen. That's cool. For the Royals, Alex Gordon to 300. Up in. We are ending on a good one. We are ending on a good one. Final hit is Lou Bob, the 25. 9 of 25, Lou Bob. It's hard to say that's a bad case. I mean, Lewis to 25, Jordan to 25, Lou Bob to 25, Soto to 10. Wow. Not like insanity like the others, but very solid. Very, very solid. We didn't end with a complete dud. To kill the mojo. I love it. Thanks, everybody. Much appreciated. Shocker. All right, next up will be the Chronicles. There's only a couple teams left in the straight Chronicle. Oh, it's full. It's full. We will do the other case of Tier 1 tonight if it fills, but we're going to do some football. We got to get Bowman moving, too. Bowman Hobby should go tonight. We'll recap this. I'll catch up the Chronicles list. We'll break that, and then hopefully some select Chronicles mixers. All right, Will. Thanks, buddy. Have a good one. Relics. Peralta to 25. Wits to 100, Relic Auto. Pudge to 75, Casey Mize. Rosarena. Goldschmidt to 25. Brady Singer to 25. Lots of ones to 25, damn. Williams 25, Lou Bob to 25, Elvis Andrus, Bronze Ink to 25, Monty Harrison to 25. Kyle Lewis to 25. Jordan to 25. Wow, that is more than I thought. And Soto to 10. Soto's dope. What a run of Tier 1. Pure insanity. That's the craziest run of Tier 1 ever.